Welcome back to our kitchen, guys. On today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make shrimp scampi. Hoy les voy a estar mostrando cómo realizar unos deliciosos camarones al ajillo. So if you are wanting to learn how to get it done, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and if you want more videos like this, let me know and I will make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and let's not lose any more time and let's get to the recipe. Alright guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using on today's recipe. And right here we have garlic cloves. I have a little bit of oregano and salt mixed together right here. Cilantro, butter, lemon juice, wine. I have a little bit of olive oil. And I have my shrimp here. And this is, I'm going to serve it with a little bit of noodles that I'm going to cook. Alright guys, our shrimp scampi is already done. It's ready to be served. It's completely amazing. It tastes delicious, guys. I would really recommend for you to make this at home. Maybe you have some friends coming over and you don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. This will take you no more than 25 minutes to make, guys. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notifications, and remember guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit the red button and subscribe. Like this video, and I will see you next time with another episode on Raf Kitchen.